Can you tell me the story? Can I shoot you?
He's a cancer survivor.
Wow.
When he was 4 years old, he had a bump on his leg that I took him to the vet. And they said it was a malignant cancer, so they had to remove his leg.
This is like India, guys. International Jewelry Plaza. Wow. Looks empty. But we are actually in a downtown. This is the downtown actually. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. I don't want to be here in the night time. Looks crazy, man. Creepy. So these are woods actually, which I saw like they use for electric poles. Wow. Oh, yeah, the buses are free actually. Maybe because of the COVID thing, it's literally free. And I'm going to show you the bus. Ooh. Bye bye. This is America. Oh, whoa.
Yellow lights are flashing. Yellow lights are flashing.
That means yo. Guys, this is American dream. This is, you know, you come to these places, you need these houses like that. This is American dream. And you have a car, you would have seen all this thing in the movies. Woo, right? Cool, right? Yes. Woo. Time to remove the mask. Woo. This is the interesting part. This was log, you know, the wooden log what I was talking about. They use it for electric. Good. It will not create what do you call the electric failure or whatever, you know. It's good resistance.
Stay here, bro. Stay here, bro. Hey, get those close and big, bro. Come here, bro. Get 7. Oh, damn. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, that train, come on! Come on!
Alright. Into this metro train.
You got to hold you a train.
condition of the train, man, is so dirty. Even there, it's full of stuff. Crazy. Can you tell me the story? Can I shoot you?
He's a cancer survivor.
Wow.
When he was 4 years old, he had a bump on his leg, and I took him to the vet. And they said it was a malignant cancer, so they had to remove his leg.
Wow. Can I touch him?
Yeah, you can touch. You can pet him.
Okay. I love
A miraculous donor donated the $42,000 for the surgery.
Wow.
I didn't have the money. A friend paid for it. So I was blessed. I was blessed.
Oh buddy, I love you.
$42,000, I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Wow, that's a big money, right?
A lot of money.
Oh man. You are a survivor, buddy.
Yeah, he is. He's been like this for 2 years now.
2 years, huh?
2 years now.
Wow.
He's good though. He runs upstairs and everything.
Yeah, I can see that he's so balanced, you
Yeah,
know?
he's good.
Wow. What's his name?
How much water is that?
What's his name?
Zero.
Zero?
Zero.
Wow, but he...
Excuse me, you gotta pay if you do anything.
He's a good dog. He's a really good dog.
Yeah.
What up? What up?
You're a hero, buddy.
He is a hero.
He's a hero.
Everywhere I go, he's a conversation piece.
Yeah.
Everywhere
I
I
saw
go.
that, like, and like, like, wow. That's why I just came to you and started talking to
I
you.
don't mind. It's cool. A lot of people do.
Thanks, man.
Come on, bro.
You're a hero, buddy. Take care. Wow. Yo, this is the Union Station. Very interesting. This is so cool. The Union West Station West. Wow. Wow, this is so good. Fresh food market. This is a Union Station. This is the actual Union Station. Looks so good. I should come here in the daytime. Wow. This is the waiting hall. This is for Amtrak. Yes, this is for Amtrak. Your Highness on black. Throw down your umbilical noose so I can climb right back. Hey, wait, I've got a new complaint. Forever tattoo your priceless advice. Wait, I've got a new complaint. Forever tattoo your priceless advice. Your advice. Your advice. Your advice. Yeah, that's the wrong way. Yeah, what's up guys? So today I'm going to take you to this place. Of course, when you're in Los Angeles, Los Angeles, so you have to visit Hollywood, right? So I'm going to go and take you guys to Hollywood.